This your girl Kate, with the photo roast. I gets it in, and if you slipping, it's on and popping, danger zone, no one is safe. Wow folks, we have been fortunate enough to obtain footage of the rare half mullet, half mohawk. Hold up. Bone Thugs and Fruity? Pause. It's the thuggish ruggish love, these dudes is straight homo, for real. Purple camo, huh? Purple. Where the hell are you going to hide in purple camo? A Baltimore Ravens game maybe? Those words shouldn't even be allowed in the same sentence. That's like a genius inbred. Sure it may exist, but it looks funny and what's the point? Oh hell nah, Michael Jackson done came back from the dead like a zombie. Just like he did on Thriller. Since when did pants become shirts? MCE Hammer didn't even do that. Can you smell what The Rock is cooking? Question, if you are drawing on ridiculous looking eyebrows, why not draw them like The Rock's? Why would you choose to make it look like everything you see is shocking? On a side note, I'm scared. Yo dog, old girl look like a treasure troll. I wonder if she got a jewel for a belly button. Yes. Yes it is. Probably one of the worst I've seen, come to think of it. Damn girl, you wore that in public? It looked like somebody tried to claw their way out. Watch out for them, they might come and try to beat your meat. So are those straps from your G-string thong? Or are they the straps from the forearm forklift? You can lift a California King mattress with the forearm forklift. Did you keep a barcode label on your head because you plan on returning it? Colonel Sanders, shouldn't you be busy inventing fried chicken, stuffed with cheese sticks, wrapped in bacon, sandwiched between two buttermilk biscuits, that were genetically infused with gravy pockets, deep fried, covered in ranch, and served on an edible mac and cheese plate? Am I tripping? Or is that Pinky the ghost from Pac-Man? Look close at her shirt. Cakes, a term used to describe a female with nice butt cheeks. Yo, Shuniqua got cakes. That's all for the photo roast. Tune in next week, and don't get caught slippin'. Yo DJ, lights off. Drop that.